HMI is the unquestioned world leader in designing and manufacturing equipment and materials for lifting and leveling concrete. Over a decade ago, HMI applied over 40 years of experience toward developing systems, equipment, and material to make polyurethane concrete lifting a highly profitable option. This gave contractors the ability to offer this service to residential consumers, commercial properties, and government agencies. Whether it's a walkway, driveway, pool deck, warehouse, machine base, highway slab, or bridge approach, HMI has a system that can put you in business. Polyurethane concrete lifting is the process of injecting polyurethane components under concrete through a series of holes. As the components mix and react, the material expands to lift the slab. Unlike historic mudjacking, it is not the pressure of the material being forced under the slab, but the expansion of specially formulated foams that lift and level slabs. Polyurethane concrete raising offers many advantages to contractors and consumers. Previously, it was thought that polyurethane was too expensive for small-scale projects. However, it is growing in popularity with residential customers as they come to understand the benefits. Offering polyurethane concrete raising greatly increases your potential to qualify for commercial and government projects. HMI polyurethanes have certified test results available, providing details on the exact characteristics of the material engineers are asking for. What are the benefits of polyurethane concrete raising? Drill smaller holes in the concrete. This cosmetic difference is significant for homeowners and retail establishments offering a nearly invisible repair solution. Easier work. There is no shoveling, heavy lifting, hauling, storing, or mixing messy material. Projects can be done by one person. Let the equipment do the work. The best material every time. You and your customers will know the exact characteristics of the material you are installing. Held to the highest quality assurance measures, your material is mixed to order and shipped direct. It's green. HMI's patented formulas utilize recycled raw materials. Recycling premium polyurethane products give HMI the ability to manufacture high-end, cost-effective products. In addition to saving good slabs from the landfill, your business is on board with today's biggest business trend, going green. Lightweight and waterproof. Using lightweight foam to raise concrete puts less stress on already weak subgrade. As foam spreads under a slab, it expands like a pillow for a gentle lift back into place. Foam also offers a barrier to prevent more water from draining under the slab. What is in the system? A typical polyurethane concrete repair system is a perfectly designed combination of a compressor, generator, reactor, heated hose, and injection accessories. HMI has mastered the engineering of this system and patented various injection devices specifically for concrete repair. The foam. Specialized formulated foams are required for concrete lifting. Characteristics like speed, strength, density, aggressive expansion, and adhesion are critical and vary for different types of projects. HMI has formulated and patented specialized foams for these various applications and manufactures the foam with worldwide distribution. HMI's patented formulas utilizing recycled materials offer benefits that cannot be achieved with standard raw materials. Tack-free in seconds with a strong outer shell while offering a delayed cure time, these are characteristics necessary for manipulating concrete slabs back into place. The business. Lifting and leveling concrete can be very profitable. It's a great repair business to serve residential, commercial, and government customers where you can be your own boss. Installed in a trailer, truck, or van, HMI is ready to put you in business with the equipment, training, and material and support you need. It takes a company who knows concrete raising to design the industry's most successful polyurethane concrete lifting equipment, material, and processes. Consider entering the polyurethane concrete lifting business the HMI way.